Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 crashing easy and quick. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to background apps and then turn off the first option here. And if you want to turn off all those background applications, you can turn it off just by turning off the first option. Go back and then go to Windows Update Settings and check for updates. Make sure to install the latest updates that you will find, and then GeForce Experience. And now do the same thing here, check for updates, and if you find any update, just download it and install it, restart your PC, and that's it. See you in the next video.